Good morning.
Morning.
Happy Vlogmas Day 3.
Happy Day 3.
Good morning, guys. It is Sunday morning. I am off to the farmer's market and I'm so excited because I ordered this not yesterday but the day before, so Vlogmas Day 1, because I realized I don't have like an easy tote that's cute that I can just throw everything in. I hate walking around with this camera. I get very self-conscious about it. Alicia's so good at not caring what people think about that, and that's come over time for her. I still struggle a lot when it comes to like walking around and vlogging or going into stores and just having the camera on me. People will just look at me and be like, well, what's that? What are you doing? What are you filming? So I love having a tote to be able to throw all of that stuff in. So I got this from Amazon. It's so cute. It has this like puffy patent leather material on the outside. It's just completely open, so I can just throw you guys in there. It's still a vibe. It's still cute. It's still fashionable. It's not like a grocery store tote. You know what I mean? So very excited to be using this today. Can I do a Spanish latte and a vanilla latte, please?
Yeah. For me, I was concerned by
currently watching Miss Remy Ashton's Vlogmas. Even though I know her in real life, I'm very invested. Since it's Sunday and I'm not going anywhere fun, I always do a skin tint on days like this. If I want to wear makeup, I'm like wanting to wear some because I'm vlogging every day, but then also I don't want to be wearing like heavy foundation every single day because my skin will suffer the after effects from that. So the Summer Friday skin tint is one of my absolute go-tos. So good. I thought, however, we could try out the Patrick Ta contour palette that I got yesterday. This is the color She's Statuesque. Look at how beautiful and new that is. I don't even want to mess it up. I will, but I don't want to. We're gonna go in with the cream. I got this brush a while ago. I've told you guys that I'm obsessed with it. Oh wow, this is just butter. Blends in so nicely, and I definitely needed to like lighten the shade I was using, so this is good timing. So pretty. Actually, I feel like I needed... That is a lot better. I'm so sorry. We're gonna leave this light on for you guys. Wow, this looks so good. My boyfriend spent the night last night and we went to the farmer's market and it was absolutely beautiful. Got some pretty flowers, had a lovely breakfast and got coffee. And we don't have any like big plans for the day today. We are gonna be seeing the Beyonce movie later tonight at like 7 with Alicia and Remy. I didn't go to the concert and I am devastated by that. We're gonna go in with the powder now, see how we like it. Wow, I've been messing up with all the other contours that I've been using. This is everything. Anyways, I was super devastated about not going to the Beyonce show. Money for me this year, not only because of the expensive townhouse that I had been renting last year, but also because of all of the weddings, cool fun destination weddings, but all of the weddings that I said yes to. Obviously I didn't have to go, I wanted to go, and I prioritized that and made it happen. But because of that, Beyonce's concert wasn't doable for me, and I was so sad to not see it. I saw her at Coachella for her Coachella show, which I am so grateful that I got to see her there because that was such a moment. So I'm lucky to have seen that. But I was super jealous when she was here and I couldn't go. So I'm very excited to see her movie. Alicia, as I'm sure most of you guys know, got to go to the premiere a week ago today. How funny. And she said it was absolutely incredible. Then the cool thing about Beyonce's is she does a lot of like BTS and a lot of like talk to the camera. It's more of like a documentary BTS style of her show. How she's feeling, what she goes through, what the team goes through, like putting it all together and putting it on. And I just live for BTS like that. Like I just love to know what they eat. I'd love to know how she felt about Blue performing. So many things. We're gonna go see the movie tonight, and that's all that we have planned for today. So I thought it would be a really great day to do some baking. One of Jackson's good friends had a cookie competition party last year that we went to. It was so much fun. I made my pumpkin cookies that I think I've vlogged before. They're incredible. She is doing the party again this year for a second annual cookie competition. And when I say competition, I mean like everyone bakes these cookies, like their own cookies, and we do a taste test and there is a winner, which is so fun and right up my alley. I love baking. I wouldn't say that I'm a baker necessarily. It doesn't come easy to me. I have to look up recipes. I have to like perfect them, but I do find baking and cooking very therapeutic. But I do love following a recipe and like making something delicious and being able to enjoy it with friends and family. And also I personally just love like zoning out to a podcast or an Audible book and just like baking away. So that is what we're going to be doing today. The cookie competition is not until next weekend, I think. So I thought today would be a great way to kind of like test run these cookies that I found and see if we like them and if we think they'll win, because winning is very important. I am obsessed with Halfbaked Harvest. If you don't follow Halfbaked Harvest, not only is she incredibly talented, she is a beautiful, kind, very positive soul and positive light on the internet. She has this huge cookbook. I've made tons of her recipes, savory and sweet. And I found this cookie recipe of hers. It's a gingerbread latte brown buttered cookie, and it sounds divine. So I will be making that today. Someone asked me in yesterday's vlog what my favorite setting spray is. The Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. It's incredible, and you can put a lot on too. Your makeup looks amazing all day long. Throwing on a hoodie. It's nice outside, but this house is always freezing. I'm just gonna throw my hair up for right now because I'm not in the mood to do it. Well, I just lied. I totally lied to your faces. I am going to be doing my hair, but just my bangs, not my hair. I'm leaving my hair in a pony because, again, we're not going anywhere. It's not that big of a deal, but my bangs will drive me insane. So we're just gonna quickly curl them back as we do. This is the only bummer about bangs. When you don't do them, it's pretty obvious. That's cute. And it looks very like I didn't try with my half-ass ponytail. Okay, I was about to head downstairs and start baking because I'm so excited to do that. But I forgot. It's advent calendar time. Let's start with YSL Beauty. Today is Vlogmas day 3. Oh, we have a mini black opium. Look at how cute it is. It's the actual bottle. It's the actual like mini bottle. It's adorable. Oh, it smells great. Just gonna do a quick little, so fun. Okay, and moving on to the FabFitFun box. Okay, in day 3, we have a Milk Makeup blush in the color Work. This is a lip and cheek cream sheer blush and lip color tint. Let's go ahead and try it on the lips. I feel like that actually suits me really well. I'm pleasantly surprised. Also, really quickly, before I forget, so many of you guys in the last vlog asked me where I got my Apple Watch band from. This was a gift from Casetify. This is such a cool thing. They have so many cool Apple Watch bands. This I love because it has a gold center. It's silver and gold. So because I'm a gold girly, I feel like this goes with all of my things. I love being able to count my steps. I love being able to see my activity. I love being able to, like, while I'm driving, glance and see who texted me. But I hated the eyesore that is the thick black Apple Watch band. Casetify gave me not only their like thick black Apple Watch band that's for active wear, but they gave me this one as well as a plain silver one. And I love being able to switch out my bands for like everyday life like this, or even putting one of these on for like a dinner. If I'm just hanging around the house, working out and editing, then I'll keep the thick active Apple Watch band on. This one isn't great to work out in, but it's so cute. I'll have it linked in the description box so you guys can shop it also. Got my candle lit, I've got my ingredients out. I'm taking a ginger shot because we are not getting sick this holiday season.
I seriously took one like every other day last year, and I never got sick, and that was the first year I didn't get sick.
I feel like most Vlogmases I get sick. I don't think I got sick last year either. Anyways, bottoms up. Whew. Like I said, I am doing the Halfbaked Harvest soft gingerbread latte cookies with brown butter icing. Unreal. For ingredients, you're going to need salted butter, dark brown sugar, espresso powder or instant coffee. I went with instant coffee, vanilla extract, a large egg, molasses, all-purpose flour, baking soda, ground ginger, ground cinnamon, salt, that's for the dough. And then for the brown butter icing, you need salted butter at room temperature, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and cinnamon with a little pinch of sea salt. So first thing we're gonna do is preheat the oven to 350. Then in a mixing bowl, we're going to beat together the butter, brown sugar, espresso, vanilla until it's light and fluffy. It says about 3 to 5 minutes. In the bowl, we are putting 3/4 cup dark brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and then the recipe says 2 to 4 tablespoons of espresso powder or instant coffee powder. And it says we're going to blend all of this together with the butter for 3 to 5 minutes. That definitely looks light and fluffy. It's so beautiful. Now it's saying mix in an egg. God, I love a mixer. And then we're going to be adding a 1/3 cup of molasses. And this isn't something that you normally eat, I feel like these days, but it's amazing in baking. Anything you want gooier, add molasses. 1/3 cup going in. Smells incredible. Now we're going to add in the flour, baking soda, ginger, cinnamon, and salt. It says a 1/4 cup plus 1 to 2 tablespoons as needed. And then for the baking soda, 1 1/4 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons ginger, then 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Oh my God, I can't believe how fragrant this is. I can really smell the coffee. Man, this smells good. I'm gonna taste the batter. Oh wow, that's real good. Now that the dough is ready, we're just going to make tablespoon size drops. I really did think about cutting out the cookies. I might do that for the cookie competition next week, but for now I'm just gonna do like the drop ball style. But if you want it a little bit sweeter, you can roll them in sugar, and that's what we're gonna do. Okay, cookies are going in for 8 to 10 minutes at 350. Now it's time to make the thing that I've never made before. This is the brown butter. All you have to do is heat the butter in a pot over medium heat, allowing the butter to brown lightly until it smells toasted, which typically takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then all you do is remove it from the heat, whisk in the powdered sugar, vanilla, a pinch of cinnamon, and salt, and then immediately spread the icing over the cookies. Feel free to eat the messy ones. You're so bad, look at this.
Mmm.
Cheers.
Cheers. Wow.
That's pretty good. Barely sweet. I can really taste the brown butter. Do you think the frosting was too much frosting, or do you like it?
Yeah, the cookie doesn't really have like a strong flavor. It's the brown butter.
Same. I would agree. I wonder if this frosting with vanilla is good, or if I should just do like regular frosting so that I could taste more of the cookie. You like the brown butter? It tastes warm.
It's a different flavor than I think the vanilla in there.
I can't believe I forgot I literally set the vanilla out.
Get your hand out of my popcorn.
I'm so excited.